John from johnmichaelmarketing.com, and before I reveal to you one website where you can find many sites that pay good money for surveys and that are 100% legit, I invite you to click on the link in the description box below here at this video so you can get instance to my #1 recommendation to making money online. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel from the red box below, and select the bell icon so you can be notified every single time I launch a new video on different ways to make money online and work from home. Alright, so without further ado, let me talk about this website and show you what it is. So the website is called PanelPlace, and I'm going to have a link as always in the description. So what is this? Well, PanelPlace is a website that you can sign up for free. Okay, there's no fees, nothing whatsoever, and many websites that do this, they charge. So this one is free, and basically when you sign up, you're going to fill in your information, your country, and a few other questions they're going to ask you. And basically, they're going to connect you with legitimate survey sites. So you can have one place here, okay, which is going to be PanelPlace, and they're going to recommend to you the best survey sites. You can sign up from PanelPlace and receive the email notifications from the survey sites. Okay, but PanelPlace is going to be like your center point. And once you start getting paid, what happens is you update PanelPlace with your earnings and you upload earning proof. Okay, that's a nice thing about it. So if I go here to earning proof, down here you see some of the sites they're working with. So here they have 4,774 proofs, as it says here. And this is other PanelPlace users that are subscribed here, and they're following PanelPlace recommendations, and they're getting paid, and they're uploading here the proof. So if I just open up, let's say for example this one, you see this is transaction details. This is a PayPal payment for $4.67 from Malaysia, Toluna, Malaysia. Okay, Toluna is one survey company. And another one, Philippines, Toluna, Malaysia, Singapore, and it just goes on and on and on. So you know for a fact that these companies here recommended by PanelPlace, they are legit, they are paying. You can see the payment proof, which is really important because many companies, they tell you, yes, complete the survey and you're going to get paid, There, you see the proof. Okay, now you're going to be wondering, and what does PanelPlace has to win? Why is it doing this? Well, it's simple. PanelPlace is an affiliate. So they recommend to you these sites, and for all this work that they're doing and managing the site and having all the members and recommending to you, they are getting commissions from you and from other members from signing up to these survey sites. Okay, they are giving you, in other words, their referral link. Right? So it's a win-win-win situation. Everybody wins out of this. So at least you're sure that any company that you sign up to and that PanelPlace recommends is legit. Okay, and you're not going to be caught by surprise. Another cool thing about PanelPlace is that they have their own affiliate program. So you can sign up to PanelPlace, get approved, sign up as an affiliate. You can just scroll down and here it says affiliate program. Just click there, and you can register, sign up, get approved, get a link, and also promote PanelPlace and earn commissions out of promoting PanelPlace too. So if you're looking to make some extra money online, completing surveys is a great way to do that. It doesn't require really any skills. So click on the link to join PanelPlace. Go here where it says sign up, complete your details, and start applying to the different survey sites to start earning commissions. The great thing about PanelPlace is that they're working with survey sites from all over the world. Okay, not every country, but there are many countries, many major countries that you can find survey sites for. So if I just go to paid survey online earning proof here and I just go to countries, Here you're going to find some of the major countries. So you have Australia, Brazil, Canada, Egypt, Germany, Greece, Hong Kong, India, Indonesia, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Philippines, Poland, Russian Federation, Singapore, Spain, Thailand, Turkey, UK, US, and Vietnam. Okay, like these are like some of the major ones that they have here. That's why they have also proof. So if you got any value from this video, smash the like button for me, subscribe to my channel for more cool videos like this, and select the bell icon so you can be notified every single time I launch a new video on different ways for you to earn online and make money from home. And don't forget to click on the link in the description box right here below so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to making money online. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. Bye-bye.